5 silly ducks went out to play, waddling around in a funny way. One spun around and fell with a plop. Now 4 silly ducks just couldn't stop. 4 silly ducks splashed in a pond, quacking and dancing all day long. One jumped high but landed too low. Now 3 silly ducks still on the go. 3 silly ducks ran up a hill, flapping their wings with a wobbly skill. One rolled down with a giggle and cheer. Now 2 silly ducks are left right here. 2 silly ducks played hide and seek. One got stuck behind a tree so sleek. The other laughed and tumbled around. Now 1 silly duck can still be found. 1 silly duck felt all alone, so she called her friends on the ducky phone. All 5 ducks came waddling